Most drivers think airbags are their best defense in a crash. But what if your car could step in before the crash even happens? From auto-braking systems to hidden tech that helps you escape when doors won't open, modern cars are packed with life-saving features you've probably never heard of. And the last one on this list? It's so powerful, it's been banned in some countries. Plus, we've saved a bonus tip at the end that could save your life even if your car has none of these features. Let's get into it. Feature number 15, remote window and engine control. When the temperature soars, a locked car can turn into a deadly trap, especially for pets or children. Heat stroke can happen in minutes. But there's a game changer, remote window and engine control. With cars like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes, you can remotely open windows or start the engine. This activates the air conditioning, quickly cooling down the car's interior. It's a quick and simple way to prevent a dangerous situation when a child or pet is accidentally left inside. Feature number 14, emergency call system. Many modern cars, like BMWs and Mercedes-Benz, come with eCall or SOS systems. These systems automatically contact emergency services as soon as an accident is detected. You don't even need to grab your phone. The system also sends your car's GPS location. This helps emergency responders reach you faster. After an accident, it takes away the stress of alerting help and gives you peace of mind. The emergency call system is always ready whether you're driving in the city or on a remote road. Feature number 13, automatic brake drying. Rain doesn't just blur your vision, it floods your brakes. And if your discs are soaked, your stopping distance shoots up fast. But one clever feature wipes them clean while you drive. Found in Mercedes and BMW models, automatic brake drying lightly applies the brakes at intervals to wipe away water from the brake discs. This feature lets your brakes respond instantly and helps you avoid an accident. Without automatic brake drying, water can cause brake fade and make stopping distances longer. But dry brakes aren't helpful if your mind is drifting off. That's where the next system steps in. Feature number 12, driver alert system. Drowsy driving causes over 90,000 crashes every year, according to the NHTSA. In cars like the Volkswagen Passat and some Subarus, the driver alert system tracks how you drive, your steering, corrections, and even your face. If you start blinking more than usual, nodding off, or drifting between lanes, the system catches it, and before you know it, a coffee cup icon flashes on your screen. Some cars beep, others show an eye symbol and chime rapidly. It's your car saying, "Hey, time for a break." If you ignore the warnings, the system can trigger emergency braking. And speaking of warning signs, sometimes the most important ones aren't on the dashboard. Spring can bring a spike in stress and anxiety. There's pressure to do more, socialize more, and keep up. I felt it too, like you're running on empty, but expected to push harder. That's why my paid partner, BetterHelp, can be a game changer. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist, and 69% of members report reduced anxiety symptoms within 6 weeks. Starting is simple. Fill out a short questionnaire and get matched quickly. And if it's not the right fit, you can switch therapists anytime at no extra cost. With over 7,000 reviews and a 4.3 rating on Trustpilot, BetterHelp is a trusted way to get support without the pressure. Let BetterHelp help you rule your anxiety so it doesn't rule you. Click the link in the description or visit betterhelp.com/carcareclues to get 10% off your first month of therapy. Feature number 11, night vision. Night vision helps drivers see in the back by using infrared sensors and thermal images. The range of the cameras depends on whether it is active or passive. Active night vision lets you see up to 600 feet ahead. Passive night vision can sense up to 1,000 feet ahead. Unfortunately, this feature is only available on luxury cars like BMW X5, Audi A8, Rolls-Royces, and Mercedes S-Class. However, Some companies can modify your car with this feature, so don't give up on your superhero dreams. Fortunately, you don't have to be a millionaire to afford the next safety feature. Feature number 10. Crumple zones and safety cells. Have you ever seen a wrecked car and wondered how the driver survived? The front of the car might be completely caved in, but the driver walked away with minimal injuries. That is thanks to the genius of crumple zones. This feature, introduced by Mercedes-Benz in the 50s, is now standard on all modern cars. A crumple zone is an area of the car that is designed to absorb the kinetic energy of a collision. They are usually in the front and rear of the car, with a safety cell in the middle. When a crash happens, the crumple zone will be deformed intentionally to minimize the effect on passengers. Feature number 9. Blind spot monitoring. Blind spots don't care how good a driver you are. 1 second of bad timing, and you could be sideswiped. But with this feature, your car becomes a lookout. It uses sensors to monitor the area around your car, alerting you if there's something you might miss. The system warns you with lights on your side mirrors or sounds. This gives you time to reconsider your lane change. In the Subaru Forester, the alert light sits next to the side mirror, which is impossible to miss. The moment there's danger, the light stays steady or blinks fast. Still, no tech can prevent a crash if you're thrown around like a rag doll. That's where the next safety net kicks in. Feature number 8. Seat belt energy absorption system. Your car seat belt does more than hold you in place. It helps control the force on your body. The seatbelt energy absorption system is designed to make you safer in a collision. When a sudden stop happens, the seatbelt stretches just enough to absorb some of the impact. This reduces the force hitting your body, lowering the chances of injury and whiplash. Almost every modern car is equipped with this feature. When there's a crash, the seatbelt tightens and then gradually stretches. This feature is essential in high-speed accidents. If you are looking for more advanced safety features, we've saved the best for last. However, we have a few others that you would love. Feature number 7. Conversation mirror. This is an increasingly popular feature in 3-row SUVs and minivans. It allows you to see passengers in the second and third rows better. Conversation mirrors are designed to make it easier to keep your eye on kids without turning your head. The problem is, many drivers don't know where they are located. In the Honda Odyssey or GMC Yukon, the conversation mirror is in the sunglasses holder above the rearview mirror. Popular vehicles with this feature include the Toyota Highlander, Toyota Sienna, and Honda Pilot. By the way, if you find the video useful and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Okay, let's move on. Feature number 6. Rear air vents. In a crash, sudden pressure changes can make it nearly impossible to open your car doors. This can trap passengers inside, leading to a life-threatening situation. Rear air vents can be the difference between escape and entrapment. In the event of a crash or door closure, they help balance the pressure inside the car. This ensures that the doors remain functional and give a clear path to escape. Without this feature, a pressure imbalance could make escaping nearly impossible, especially if you're disoriented. But if your car doesn't have rear vents, don't worry. Our bonus tip at the end gives you a clever alternative. Feature number 5. Hidden roll bars in convertibles. A convertible is the epitome of fun driving. But what happens if the fun takes a dangerous turn? Rollovers in convertibles can be deadly, but hidden roll bars are here to help. These roll bars are built into the car's frame, hidden from view until you need them. When sensors detect a rollover, they deploy automatically in milliseconds. This creates a strong barrier around the passenger compartment, providing protection in the event of a crash. The role of these hidden bars is critical. By reinforcing the car's structure, they reduce the risk of severe injuries, especially head trauma, during a rollover. Without them, the car's roof could collapse and expose the passengers. Cars like the BMW Z4 and Audi A5 Cabriolet are equipped with these life-saving roll bars. Feature number 4, facial recognition and fingerprint start. This feature uses your face or fingerprint to unlock and start your car. No more fumbling for keys. Your car recognizes you and you're in. It's perfect when time is of the essence or in an emergency. Whether it's a health issue or just being late, this feature makes it easy to get in and go. It's secure and convenient and eliminates the need for traditional keys, which can easily be lost or forgotten. Modern cars like the Tesla and Genesis GV60 offer this tech. With just a glance or a touch, you're good to go. But imagine if your car could do more than just start. What if it could look out for you too? Feature number 3, personal car communicator. This feature, found in Volvo, is like having a car that's always on alert. It communicates with your remote control unit, recognizes the key fob, and adjusts to your personal settings. But here's the real kicker. It can even spot an unauthorized presence inside the vehicle. The Personal Car Communicator, PCC, offers passive unlocking and ignition starting, and it's all about convenience and security. From storing medical info to fingerprint ID and map routing, the car knows exactly what you need. Using and telematics, the PCC keeps you linked to your car's security, even if you're miles away. If your car doesn't have this feature, check out our video on car secrets only the most experienced drivers know to find alternatives. Feature number 2, automatic emergency braking. This essential feature is found in nearly every modern car today. It's designed to prevent collisions or reduce their severity. AEB uses sensors to detect potential dangers. If it senses an obstacle, like another car or a pedestrian, it reacts. If the driver doesn't hit the brakes in time, the system steps in and applies the brakes automatically. This feature is a game changer for avoiding rear-end collisions and preventing accidents in heavy traffic. Even the most attentive drivers can miss something in the heat of the moment, but AEB doesn't miss a beat. The recent brands of Honda, Toyota, Ford, and Subaru come equipped with AEB. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, this system is always watching for danger. You can drive with confidence, knowing your car is always ready to protect you. Feature number 1, electronic stability control. Wet roads, sharp turns, or sudden swerves can send you skidding. The electronic stability control automatically detects when your car starts to slide. It adjusts the brakes on individual wheels and helps you regain stability. No need for a fast reflex. It reacts quicker than you ever could. This feature is standard in most modern cars, including the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord. This system is a true lifesaver, especially on slick roads. It prevents spinouts, rollovers, and dangerous skids. Whether you're dodging an obstacle or handling a curve, electronic stability control has your back. If you've made it this far, you clearly care about staying safe on the road. So here's your bonus tip: emergency window escape. If you're ever trapped in your car, like during a fire or if it's underwater and the doors won't open, your headrest could save your life. Just pull it out of the seat. You'll notice the 2 metal rods on the end. Use one of those to smash the side window. Aim for the corners. They're the weakest spots. Car windows are designed to be stronger from the outside, so breaking them from the inside is much easier. A few strong hits with the metal post can shatter the glass and give you a way out. In emergencies, seconds count. It's survival with what's already in your car. Tech is making driving safer, not just easier. These emergency features can be the difference between a close call and a disaster. Want more life-saving car tech? Hit like, subscribe, and watch 17 secret car features no one knows about. To drive smarter and safer,